Narrator. Welcome back to Motor Masters, the ultimate pit stop for everything on four wheels and beyond. If it's got an engine and turns heads, we've got it covered. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about compact off-roaders coming in 2026, the Suzuki Jimny. This little beast has a massive cult following, and Suzuki is turning the dial way past 10 for this new generation. Buckle up, because we're about to take you through everything you need to know about the all-new 2026 Suzuki Jimny, and why it might just be the most fun you can have on or off the road without breaking the bank. Host. The Suzuki Jimny has always been a bit of a legend. Small, boxy, tough as nails, it's like the off-road world's scrappy underdog that just refuses to quit. Since its debut decades ago, it's been known for doing things bigger, heavier SUVs can do, but with a fraction of the size and weight. And now, for 2026, Suzuki has packed it with more technology, better efficiency, and yes, even more capability without losing its iconic charm. Narrator. Let's start with the design. Suzuki knows better than to mess too much with a winning formula. The 2026 Jimny still keeps its rugged, squared-off profile, short overhangs, and high ground clearance. But there are modern touches everywhere. The front grille is slightly larger, with a more aggressive honeycomb pattern, and the circular headlights, a Jimny signature, now feature LED matrix technology for sharper visibility and a modern look while keeping that retro vibe. The body panels are subtly reshaped for better aerodynamics without sacrificing that boxy silhouette we all love. Host. And the color options are going to be a treat. Suzuki is introducing vibrant, adventure-inspired shades like forest green metallic, desert sand, and a retro throwback color called sunrise yellow. You can even get contrasting roof colors, so your Jimny stands out just as much in the city as it does on a mountain trail. Narrator. But the Jimny has never been about just looking the part. The real magic lies underneath. The 2026 model continues to use a ladder frame chassis, a rarity in small SUVs, giving it serious strength for off-road abuse. The approach and departure angles remain impressive, and Suzuki has even improved water wading depth, meaning your weekend river crossings just got less nerve-wracking. Host. Power-wise, Suzuki is offering two options depending on the market. The standard 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine now has refined tuning for better torque delivery at low revs, perfect for crawling up steep inclines. And for those looking for more punch and efficiency, there's an all-new mild hybrid 1.4-liter turbocharged option. This hybrid system doesn't just boost power, it helps improve fuel economy and provides that extra low-end grunt for off-road situations. Both engines are paired with a smooth 6-speed manual or a new 8-speed automatic that's tuned for off-road control. Narrator. Of course, it wouldn't be a Jimny without its four-wheel drive system. The 2026 model keeps the tried-and-true AllGrip Pro system, complete with a low-range transfer case. But now, Suzuki has added an intelligent terrain management mode, letting drivers choose between settings like mud, sand, snow, and rock. It automatically tweaks throttle response, traction control, and gear selection to give you the best grip and control for the surface you're on. Host. Inside, things have taken a big leap forward. The previous Jimny was charming but a little bare bones in the tech department. Now, you get a modern 9-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, high-definition navigation, and even an off-road display that shows pitch, roll, and altitude in real time. The materials are rugged yet comfortable, with water-resistant upholstery and scratch-proof plastics that are perfect for an SUV that's actually going to see dirt. Narrator. Suzuki has also improved cabin space slightly without making the Jimny much larger. It's still compact enough to maneuver through tight city streets or narrow off-road trails, but now the rear seats fold completely flat, creating a surprisingly roomy cargo area. And yes, Suzuki listened to feedback. There are more storage cubbies, cup holders, and charging ports this time around. Host. Safety has stepped up, too. The 2026 Jimny comes with a full suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and even an emergency braking system that works in off-road situations. This means you can have peace of mind whether you're navigating rush-hour traffic or a rocky backroad. Narrator. One of the most exciting things about the 2026 Jimny is the new Adventure Pack option. This adds beefier all-terrain tires, a roof rack, underbody skid plates, and even a factory snorkel for deep water crossings. It's basically a turnkey overlanding setup, right out of the dealership. And for those who want to go full custom, Suzuki is offering a range of official accessories, from LED light bars to modular camping gear, that integrate perfectly with the vehicle. Host. Here's the thing. In an era where SUVs are getting bigger, heavier, and more complicated, the Jimny stays true to its roots. It's small, nimble, affordable, and incredibly capable. And because it's lightweight, it doesn't need massive horsepower to conquer trails. The 2026 model manages to be more eco-friendly while still giving you that old-school mechanical feel enthusiasts love. Narrator. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed in all markets yet, but Suzuki has hinted that they're keeping it competitive. The base model is expected to come in well under the price of most midsize SUVs, and even the fully loaded Adventure Pack will be priced to attract younger buyers and off-road newcomers. Host. If you're thinking this is just a city car that can handle a dirt road now and then, think again. The Jimny has a proven track record in some of the harshest terrains on Earth. It's been used by farmers, explorers, military units, and adventurers in places where big, expensive SUVs would get stuck or break down. The 2026 version just adds a layer of comfort and technology to that raw capability. Narrator. And honestly, there's just something fun about driving a Jimny. You don't need to be going 100 miles per hour to enjoy it. The high seating position, the direct steering feel, and the knowledge that you can turn off the main road and go exploring at a moment's notice, it's addictive. Host. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader, a city dweller who wants something different, or just someone who loves vehicles with character, the 2026 Suzuki Jimny is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. It's proof that you don't need to be massive to be mighty. Narrator. That's going to wrap up our deep dive into the 2026 Suzuki Jimny. This little SUV continues to punch well above its weight, and with the updates coming next year, it's ready to win even more fans around the world. Host. You've been watching Motor Masters, where passion meets horsepower and adventure is always just around the corner. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. We've got more reviews, sneak peeks, and epic test drives coming your way. Narrator. Thanks for riding with us today. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your adventures wild.